Are you looking to get into dirt biking but are shocked at how much it costs? You don't have to spend $10,000 on a dirt bike to have something that's reliable. Most families can't afford that much, especially if you're like me and have kids and you want them to ride eventually too. You can get started for less than $2,000 and still have a low maintenance dirt bike, and I want to show you how. First, I need to share with you a few mistakes that people make that cause you to break the bank when getting started. The first one is buying a new bike. Now, it's really fun to go to a dealer and buy a brand new shiny dirt bike, but one, they're super expensive these days. You can spend $5,000-$10,000 and you don't need to buy something new to get something reliable. Did you buy your car brand new? Probably not. You just need to know what to look for, which I'll cover in a minute. And two, new dirt bikes lose value the second you take them off the showroom floor. So you buy it, and if for some reason you made the mistake of buying the wrong dirt bike, well, you're gonna have to sell it for a loss of hundreds or even thousands of dollars. Mistake number two that can break the bank is buying the wrong type of dirt bike. If you're a beginner and are only going to be riding off-road, you don't want a dual sport or street legal bike. These are fun for riding on the road, but they're really heavy and just harder to control and more exhausting when riding off-road because you don't need all of those accessories for riding on the street, which add weight. The other problem is when people are just starting out, they only seem to find a good deal on a race bike. But a race bike is a terrible choice if you're a beginner for a few reasons. One, it's a lot harder to learn on, to ride and build up your confidence because the power is snappy, the suspension is stiff, it's going to be uncomfortable, they're super tall, which makes it hard if you have short legs like me, and they require more maintenance. The third mistake is not knowing what to look for when buying a used dirt bike. For example, if you've never looked at a used bike, you may not be sure what to look at or listen for or pay attention to when you're inspecting it or when you're starting it and riding it. Like if you check the oil and it's not even on the dipstick or it's really black and sludgy, that's a common sign that the owner has probably not maintained it well and it might be needing extra maintenance or a rebuild in the near future. And if you need help looking for the right dirt bike, choosing the right bike, and being confident in buying a used one by knowing what to look for, I'm now offering consulting where you can get my professional help from my 20 plus years of looking at, buying, and maintaining every kind of dirt bike there is. You can check that out at motocrosshideout.com/consult or click the link in the description below. Now, the fourth big mistake that can break the bank is spending way too much on riding gear. Whether it's just wanting to buy top of the line stuff because it's supposed to be safer, or if you just want to look really cool. But you just need to know that the amount of money you spend on riding gear does not equal the amount of safety. Like if you're buying a helmet, you don't need to spend $600, $700, $800 to get a safe helmet. Yeah, it might have better technology, but if you buy one that doesn't fit properly, that's going to be more dangerous than buying a cheaper one that does fit properly. So one that fits your shape of head and it should feel snug on you. If it's loose at all when it's brand new, once it breaks in, it's going to be even looser, and this can cause even more problems or injuries if you fall and get in an accident because your head can move around more or it might slip off. And if you want a list of the best beginner dirt bikes for adults for under $2,000 while still being reliable, make sure to subscribe or check out this video here if it's already out. I'm also covering the best dirt bikes for teens, females, short riders for under $1,500 in this video here.